try to make it a little less teary than the earlier speeches. Throughout my entire life, I've had an amazing amount of support for everything that I've done, who I was doing it with, or how I chose to get it done. I really can't recall a time in my life where I didn't have someone backing me up and encouraging me to do my best and reach my maximum potential. We are beyond blessed to have people in our lives who support us in all that we do, and everyone in this room, I think, can probably say the same thing. But the truth is, there are people in this world who don't have people who support them and who back them up in everything they do. In the middle of my sophomore year, we got a new ag teacher at Desoto High School, Miss Christy Pryor. Not a Hitler. At the end of her first week, she pulled me aside after the class I was in and said, "Well, are you an FFA?" And I said, "Yes, ma'am." And as crazy as I thought she sounded, she said, "You are going to be my first state officer." Before then, I had barely been involved in our FFA chapter. But that night I went home and I told my parents, "Mom, Dad, I am going to start to get more involved in the FFA." And they had no idea the time it would take, the stress it would cause, and that in just a few short months, it would dictate my life. But they supported me and my dream of becoming a leader and growing in this organization. What if Ms. Pryor hadn't encouraged me to get more involved in the FFA? What if when I came home that night and told my parents I wanted to get more involved, they told me, "I just want to have the best use of your time"? If they had, my life would look pretty different than it does now. Because of their encouragement and support, I served as a chapter officer, a sub-district officer, the district president, and now in just 14 days, I'll begin a year as a Florida FFA state officer. I know that my parents and my family and my friends will always support me in everything that I do. And Lord knows I'm so thankful to have people like that in my life. But being thankful for what they've done for me simply isn't enough. I think the best way for us to give back to those people who encourage and support us is to pay that support forward, not only to them, but to as many people as we can. We need to encourage and support them to reach their maximum potential. I want to challenge not just the FFA members, but every person here tonight to do two things. Number one, recognize those people in your life who support you. Imagine how hard your life would be to get through without all of them, without all the support that they've shown you through the years. We need to realize how blessed we are to have people like that in our lives. And we need to be thankful for all that they do for us. But we can't stop there. Number two, be what those people are to you for other people. As many people as possible, encourage them to do their absolute best. You never know. That next person you encourage could be the person who has never known encouragement, or the person who has a little extra push and change the world.